These units are made in China and are only sold through dealers in the USA and Canada by Carrier Media North America, a joint venture between Carrier Corporation and Media Group. All of the units have a durable powder coat finish on the outdoor units to keep the units looking good for many years, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. They have refrigerant leak detection but only use standard washable filters, which are not as good as many other brands. The DLCERAH units, a part of their Performance Series, are basic 17-seer air conditioners, while the DLCERAH models are heat pumps. Both have inverter compressors and they are backed by a good warranty. They are available in either 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems, and both the indoor units and the outdoor units are very quiet. The QuietComfort DLCSRA models are premium single-zone heat pumps with a 24.7 SEER efficiency, while the DLCMRB models can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 25 SEER efficiency rating. The DLCPRA models, a part of their Deluxe series, offer ultimate heat pumps with a 40 SEER efficiency rating, but they only have the standard washable filters, which do not effectively help the indoor air quality.